So guys, as we are on to another topic, and this topic is going to be on FBA setting. So this is fulfillment by Amazon setting, guys. So let me show you what this actually is. So guys, as you log into your Seller Central account, you have to go on the settings tab on the right hand side. As you can see, you will find the setting tab in the right hand side, and after going to this setting tab, you have to click on this fulfillment by Amazon tab. So guys, you have to click on this fulfillment by Amazon tab, and after clicking this link, it will bring you to this page. And the first setting you have to make in this fulfillment by Amazon setting is you have to go to inbound settings. As you can see here, guys, inbound settings, and you have to click on edit. So guys, as you click on the edit tab, it will bring you to this page, and as you can see, the first setting we have to make is by default it will be this inventory placement option. By default it will be at distributed inventory placement, and what we have to do is we have to click on this inventory placement service tab. Guys, we have to click on this tab, but by default at first it will be at this one. Guys, you have to keep in mind what happens with this. This is, guys, if you create a shipping plan for your product, then Amazon can divide the shipment and cartons in different warehouse, and that will bring you up more fees for shipping from China to your USA warehouse. It will be more costly for you guys. So what you have to do is you have to click on this inventory placement service. What happens is you can send your shipment in one place, one destination, and Amazon does distribute this shipment for you guys. So I recommend you making this change from distributed inventory placement to inventory placement service, guys. And secondly, if this so restricted items warning is disabled, then you have to enable it. And this so listing approval warnings, if it is disabled in your Seller Central account, then you have to enable this one also. And after finishing all this, you can update. Click on update button, guys. And guys, the next setting you have to make is in this refurbishment setting, guys. As you click on this edit tab of refurbishment setting, so guys, as you come in this listing, by default this first one, refurbish unsellable customer returns, by default it will be at disable, and what you have to do is you have to click on enable. What happens is Amazon will sell those products in their own rigs, and what they will do is they will give you certain fees, a certain percent of the amount to you, to your they will transfer it to your selling account, guys. Or if it is disabled, then Amazon can dispose your unsellable customer returns, guys. If you enable it, Amazon can sell it on their own rigs and give you a small percentage of the product. So these are the settings you have to make, and after you click on this enable, you can click on update. So as you can see, guys, as I showed you, this refurbish on sellable customer returns, and you can check this one also. Allow Amazon to buy my products to sell globally. Allow Amazon to buy my products to sell globally. If it's disabled, you can enable this one. And guys, these are the only settings that you have to make, and other settings are not too much required. So the settings that I have showed you you have to keep in mind, and make sure you change those settings to enable, and those I showed you, guys. And I will see you in my next video.